guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I want to show you or give you my analysis for this week's Euro USD, and I also want to show you a little bit of how I trade Euro USD. And yeah, my thing about trading is I want to try and make it as simple as possible. I don't want to overcomplicate it and have too many things going on. So what I do is I draw psychological lines. Support and resistance lines. My thing is, I think every pair has them, and let's just have a look. Yeah. For instance, Euro USD. This is the 4-hour time frame. These lines I've drawn in. I draw them in. I lock them in, and that's it. I keep them there, and you will see price, dancing around these lines. It's a support. It's a resistance. It breaks through. It comes back. It retests. And you name it. These lines are drawn. Let's take it from the top: 1.3500, 1.3000, 1.22500. So it's increments of 500. So every 500 pips or 550 pips, every 50 pips, I will draw a line and I will lock it in. And you will see price either coming up or coming down and retesting it, support, and then coming up and then coming down again. So basically, the only reason I look at the 4-hour is just the direction. I will drill down to my 1-hour where I will be trading it. So let's just make it nice, and there we go, so we can see it better. Sorry, there we go. So earlier this week, I noticed, or I saw, that price was still coming down. It was bouncing up and down these lines, and price started breaking through, bouncing. So price broke through, coming, retesting it, pushing it down. So you can see how price nicely, it breaks through, comes and retests it, and it keeps shooting down. Same here. And every time I found with Euro USD, every time price breaks through one of these lines, it comes and retests it. It retraces. And then I just use my Fibonacci tool, and it's usually on the 38.2. Let's have a look here. So it starts breaking from the top of the candle to the bottom where it starts turning, the lowest wick there, and it comes back and it retests that 38.2%. Comes, and this is where you wait for your sell order. You place your sell order there, and it will just drill down all the way to take profit 1. So let's just have a look what happened here. Price came up, it started hitting this line again. Could have climbed in again because it was still in a downtrend, so you could have caught another sell. And as soon as price got here, price started it bounced off it. This was a good support. It came back and it retested that support. Could have bought in another almost a 50 pips up. So there's 50 pips in between these lines. So what happened here? Price broke through again. Now a lot of traders don't realize this. Just a little thing I want to show you. They will take it from the top here, because this is where price started heading down, and they will take it all the way to the bottom candle here where price turned. And look here, oh, it's not retracing all the way, but no, this is wrong. You drew your Fibonacci wrong, because a lot of traders don't see that candle right there. That little bullish candle in between the bears, and that candle creates a little bit of a support, and like you can see right there, that hits the previous support. So in actual fact, if you want to draw your Fibonacci, you will draw it, especially when it breaks through, you will draw it from here, from the top there, and it draws all the way down to here, because this is where it started turning up. So that area there, the price came from there, it turned there, it came up, and it retested the 38.2% again. Put your sell order right in there, and you can see price heading down all the way, hitting take profit 1, take profit 2. So guys, just be careful for that. Just have a look out for these little, it could be like here, a little bit of a bearish candle in between the bulls. Just always be careful for that. That creates a little bit of a support. So currently we're sitting Sunday night where I am. We are waiting for markets to open, and currently it looks like price have turned a little bit. Price is starting to head back towards the upside. What I'm expecting to happen is the following. We can see price moved very high up, so it broke that resistance, the 1.2 thousand line, and it's at this line, so at one of our psychological lines. So my thing is, if price had to break, if market opens and price breaks through, I will wait until price comes back to retest or tap this line, and then I will go in for the buy. So I will wait until price comes into that area there. That's my first scenario. Second scenario, which I think is the more likely one to be, is the following. You can see price shot up all the way to there. Price is definitely going to come back to this area right here. And if you can see the 38.2%, which is our retracement area before price breaks up and maybe breaks through that line. So I will be waiting over here in this zone here for my buy. And the reason I'm saying this is a very good one as well is because it lines up very nicely to our previous support, which is actual fact a good support over there. So guys, this is my analysis for the week. I hope you all have a great week of trading. I want you guys just to like this video. I want you to subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, and yes, I hope you guys have a profitable week. Happy trading, guys.